Hi, my name is Jeremy. I'm going to show you guys better ways for you to better rank in Google. And what I do is I help local companies rank better. So I found you guys under Cleveland Landscaping, and you're at page three, about halfway in page three, which is not too bad. We could always do better than that. And so I put your link in this SEO scanner. Put your link right here. And I came back with a couple of things. Wanted to show you guys. So this is Rice's Tree Service Landscaping. This is the title tag. This is what helps Google determine what your site is about. This is right here. Your meta description, which is pretty good. As long as it's between 70 and 320 characters, you're pretty good. Your body content. This is your H1. It's what helps determine what your site is about. As long as you got one, it's fine. More than one, it confuses Google. H2s, too many, way too many. They don't know if it's about tree service. Like if they were to type in Cleveland Landscaping Tree Service, your Google doesn't know. Google doesn't know. It doesn't know this. It's gonna give it mixed signals. And that's what's causing you guys to rank on page three. All this determines whether you're on page three or whether you're on page two or page one. These are the guys. 80% of all traffic is coming to these guys right here, new searches. All new searches just based on this one keyword right here. That's it, just this one keyword right here. So I wanted to give you guys a couple of tips. So I would really cut these down at least by half. Three to seven is what you really want to have. I would be about 4. This is pretty good. Also, I would probably change this around. If you want to have your name, you can have it in the title tag, but I would probably change it to like Cleveland's Tree Service and Landscaping, and then you can have like Rice's Tree Service right beside it. That way it kind of helps identify what your site is about. Having your URL like this is pretty good as well. That's pretty good in helping determine what your site is about. If you need any help with this, I can help you with any of all this stuff. But my name is Jeremy, and if you have any more questions, please email me back. Thank you.